Good morning, Jelle. My name is Chris Clark from Rocket Farm. We're a drone services company, and we're currently flying for a couple of customers, including Bayer, on their trials. And we're measuring using drones the NDVIs and sort of the stage of the trials, all the way from plant counting, not only just the scouting stage, but all the way to biomass calculations. So it's a very exciting, interesting time for technology within the agriculture space and drones as well. You know, drone technology has really kind of been something that's really been up in the air, and the really exciting thing about 2019 is that it's finally the time that it's come down to sort of to the practical applications within agriculture. In other words, you used to just have the hardware over here, the software, and then so the agronomists there, and no one was really kind of talking it and putting it all together as a sort of a package. Now we can actually use all these sort of separate silos. We put them together to deliver value. And the main value is, especially in the genetics or the breeding part, is that we're able to pick up problems a lot sooner, where previously we would have to wait till the end of the season, just pick up and look at the yield and say, wow, that was such a terrible year. Now we're able to start right up front, and even in the initial sort of V3 do plant counting and say, well guys, we're already at sort of under or over our expected density levels. You know what I mean? What is the recourse in that? So it just allows the farmer to have a lot more decision points in the season. You know, drone technology, the thing is, there's too many opportunities with drone technology, but it's about how you actually can deliver practical value that solves real problems on the farm at the moment. You know, we have problems such as security, which is a big issue, not only just from the production, and not only just in production as well, but the thing is where we need to get to is instead of, I guess, is just to focus on guys sort of focusing on doing what they do best. So in other words, we'll find that the security guys will become a lot stronger. We'll find a lot more autonomous drones coming out, and eventually taking over the job of the pilot and being able to sort of automatically fly. Is it being fully utilized? Yes or no? I would say we're about halfway there. Again, it's about how you put together the practical solution for the farmer to really use it, because right now we're just getting pretty pictures, and that's great as an initial start, but how do we actually solve real world problems? So there's nothing really that restricts it. I know there's a big conception, or let's say misconception, about the drone laws at the moment. I really don't think, especially in a farmer space, that it's as a high risk as necessary. You know, we as Rocket Farm, you know, I mean, we're quite dedicated to sort of providing a big enterprise service. So where we do well is that we have over 70 aircraft all the way across Africa as well, and we want to provide this economies of scale, because it's ultimately always going to be about the price point. You know, again, data is important, but at what price? And and that's our sort of mission, is to drive down that pricing and increase the value for the farmer. So the great thing about the Create Conference is it's such a professional, formal structure for farmers to get together. I think you know what I mean, if you kind of think you're out in the sun all day, you know, you're now surrounded by like-minded individuals, guys where you're really sort of ingesting what the latest technology and what are the new trends sort of coming in. You know, great functions like NumPo are here, but it's kind of just a one big market, where the Create Conference is really focused about on elements within the breeding and specifically how that affects your production as well. Hi, I'm Christopher Clark from Rocket Farm, and I encourage you to plant your success.